Hey everyone, tired of waiting forever for your water to boil in the morning? I was too, and it drove me nuts. So I grabbed 3 electric kettles from Amazon to find the best one for your kitchen in 2025. The Cosori stainless steel, the Elite Gourmet glass, and a slick double wall stainless steel model. Today I'm comparing them for speed, style, and how they make your life easier. Think fast boiling, cool designs, and fancy features. You'll want one of these by the end, trust me. Oh, and quick heads up, I've got all the Amazon details in the pinned first comment and description below. Stick around like this video, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell. I'm spilling the tea on these kettles, and you won't want to miss it. Let's jump in. Before I dive in, here's what I checked out: how fast they boil, how much water they hold, their style game, because your kitchen deserves to look good, and extras like auto shutoff or temperature control. I put these kettles to the test myself, so you're getting the real deal. Ready to see which one's the fastest and flashiest? Let's roll. First up, the Cosori stainless steel kettle. This one's my go-to. I used it and wow, it boils 1.7 liters in about 4 minutes with its 1500 watts. Perfect when I'm desperate for coffee. The black stainless steel is super sleek, no plastic touches the water, and it's got auto shut off and boil dry protection, so I don't have to hover over it. It's quiet too, barely hear it while I'm scrambling eggs. The pros: fast, stylish, and safe. Amazon folks love it, giving it tons of 5-star reviews. The catch? It's maybe around $35 and the lid gets a bit warm. If you want speed and a chic vibe, this is your pick. Search Cosori Electric Kettle Stainless Steel on Amazon via the pinned first comment or description and grab it before it's gone. Next, the Elite Gourmet Glass Kettle. It's like a sci-fi movie in my kitchen. I tested it and it boils 1.7 liters in 5 minutes, maybe a tad slower than the Cosori. The glass body with blue LED lights inside looks unreal. Total show-off vibes. It's BPA free, has auto shut-off, and a stainless steel base, so it's solid for tea or hot cocoa. The good stuff? That LED glow is a mood, and it's probably around $30, so it's budget friendly. The downsides are that glass can feel fragile, and it's not as fast as some. If you want style over speed, look for Elite Gourmet on Amazon. Pinned comment and description have the scoop. Yeah, last up, the double wall stainless steel kettle. This one's a game changer. It's only 1 liter, but with 1200 watts, it still boils in about 4 minutes. The Cool Touch double wall means no burns, and it's got 7 temperature settings, perfect for coffee snobs like me, and a 4-hour keep warm feature. The black finish is modern and sleek. The pros: temp control and safety are clutch, and it's around $35. The downside: it has a smaller capacity, so it's not for big crews, and it might hum a bit louder. If you're into precision and cool design, search Electric Kettle Double Wall Stainless Steel on Amazon, pinned comment or description. Go check it out. So, which kettle is the best for your kitchen in 2025? If you want speed and style for around $35, the Cosori stainless steel is my winner, fast and gorgeous. On a budget and love a light show, the Elite Gourmet glass at $30 is your vibe. Or if you're picky about temp and safety, the double wall stainless steel at $35 might steal your heart. Here's the deal. Rush to the pinned first comment or description right now to find Cosori Electric Kettle Stainless Steel, Elite Gourmet, or Electric Kettle Double Wall Stainless Steel on Amazon and buy before they're gone. These prices won't stick around, and you don't want to be stuck with a slow pot in 2025. Like this video if it helped, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell for more reviews. Comment below, which kettle are you snagging? Let's make your mornings boil faster. Go check the pinned comment and description now.